this video in 4K. So this is an update to our original 03D Vision X LED headlight install and review video. We're going to talk about a couple things today. Plugs. When you order the Vision X from our store, you're going to need one of a couple plugs, and we have an additional for a high-low. Don't worry, we're going to break it down. I am going to explain this to you. Don't forget, I already did a review of the 03D Vision X headlight up against the Kuryakyn Phase 7 and the Harley Daymaker. You got it, the Vision X1. Check it out, link in the description below. Welcome back, Bikeaholics. Ryan Urlacher here, lawabidingbiker.com. Thank you for checking back in. And I just want to remind you before we get into talking about the plugs that we do already have the complete install video. It's listed on our product page in our store for the Vision X. Also, I will place the link in the description below for you. So when you're ordering the Vision X from our store, you do have some options for an adapter. There is a lot of fitment information. There are videos there. I will link directly to the listing in our store below. If you have a 13 and older Harley touring, you can just buy the Vision X and you do not need an adapter. If you order the Vision X and you are going to put it on a 14 or newer touring model, you will need one of the adapters. We're going to show you which one you need. And if you're wondering, for the road glide specifically, of course, the 13 and older, you basically can buy two Vision X headlights and you'd be good to go. They don't make a Vision X kit for the 14 and newer road glide models because they come factory stock with two LED Daymaker headlights. This is the Delphi adapter available in our store. If you are going to put a Vision X on a 2014 or newer touring model with a batwing fairing, basically means it has one single headlight, you are going to need this Delphi connector. So you want to save money, rent your own motorcycle, be part of the #1 online biker community. Every time that subscribe button and bell icon are hit, another biker joins the revolution. This is your dual halogen to LED adapter. Again, this is available on our Vision X listing in our store. If you have a 2014 and newer Road King model, you will need this adapter. Additionally, some of you out there may have upgraded over time from a single halogen to a dual halogen, and you will need this to convert to LED. What I mean by a dual halogen is basically one light housing, but two bulbs in it. All else fails, make sure you pull your fairing and check which adapter you need. And this is the high-low adapter. Basically what this does, once you plug it in, when you switch to high beam, your low beam will stay on also instead of going off like it does stock. This can be added to either the Delphi adapter or the dual halogen to LED. It just daisy chains into it. We'll show you a little bit more of that in a moment. And if you have a 2013 and older Harley that's compatible with the Vision X, as we've already stated in this video, you can just use the high-low adapter to get that functionality. You don't need either of the other adapters. So on this 2014 Street Glide special, we have the fairing off. That's just to help show you guys what we want you to see in this video. You can replace the Vision X without removing the fairing and just the headlight. Of course, we already have a complete install video for you on that. Link in the description below. Or if you're on our product page, it's listed at the bottom. So this would be a stock halogen bulb on a Street Glide. And he's going to turn it over and show you. It's basically got, that's what it's going to look like. Stock, he's going to unplug the headlight. Just got some tabs you push. And that unplugs. He'll get that out of the way. So once you remove your headlight, this is what you're going to be looking at. And we need to use a Delphi 4 for this. So look back. It may be zip tied back in there. You may, it may be hidden back in there, but get access to that. And it's actually going to disconnect back here at the flat 4. Push and pull. That's what you're going to be left with. Now he's going to get his Delphi adapter that you need to purchase at the time you purchase your Vision X, and it just simply only goes in one way. Make sure it's good and tight there. And now our Vision X headlight can go right into that. The additional white wire you'll hook to your Vision X, that is for your halo ring that goes around the Vision X headlight. And that will plug right into the back of your Vision X. Okay, just so we can show you, this Vision X is already installed in the Batwing fairing, okay? We just move it in here. So that's what the back of your Vision X is going to look like. Of course, you've got the 3-plug, and then you've got the white adapter for your halo ring. Right there in his hand is the actual Delphi flat 4 adapter plug. And so it will just plug right in. And he's going to go ahead and do that. Very simple. And of course, this is already plugged in the bike. We showed you where to plug it into the flat 4 on the bike. Once that's plugged in, you're going to be left with the white wire. Now, a couple ways to do this. You can either just splice it, you can solder it, you can twist it together, you can put little connectors like we have connector. We'll just put a connector on the other side, a flat connector, so it comes off very easy. But again, all you have to do is connect the white wire to the white wire. How you do that, butt connector even, is completely up to you. All right, so in his left hand there, that is the high-low adapter, which basically means that when you flick your high beam on, your low beam will also stay on. It's very easy to add to our Vision X adapters, and it basically goes in line. In his other hand is the Delphi connector, and he's just plugging it into the Delphi connector there, and then it simply plugs into the back of your Vision X, so it's basically just like an inline splice, plug and play. Then of course, don't forget, from your Delphi connector, you will have to connect that white wire still, but connect it so that your halo ring works around your Vision X headlight. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that video. I hope it cleaned up which adapter you're going to need with your Vision X purchase. Don't forget, link in the description below. We got your back. We have them in stock, ready to ship to you guys right now.